Notice here I'm adding my password. When I click OK, see connection failed, the password authentication failed for user Postgres. I'm pasting my password. Click OK. See? Let's find out how to find your forgotten password without writing a single SQL syntax or without any configuration. How to find the password in Docker PG vector. Notice here I'm adding my password. When I click OK, see connection failed, the password authentication failed for user Postgres because I forgotten my password. Now the easiest way to find the Docker password to log in into this PG vector, go to your docker.desktop. Now let's find out our password to log into PG vector in PostgreSQL. In the Docker desktop, first thing we need to check our Docker is running or not. Here I have running my Docker. See, it's a green signal, it's running. Click the Docker name. Then switch to the next tab, which is the inspect. Come to the bottom until you find the password here. See the Postgres password. This is the password which I have forgotten totally. Now let's copy this one. Again switch over to our PostgreSQL. I'm pasting my password. Click OK. See here I have logged successfully with my password without changing any settings or writing a single query of syntax. That's it. If you like this video tutorial, please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment.